Alright, here we got Missy's litter. They're all looking good. Got their tails done. Well, they've had their tails done actually. 2 claws taken care of. Start getting wormed here pretty soon actually. Probably this week. There's Missy. Good little dog. Hey pup, where are you going? Where you going, pup? Good puppies. Good puppies. Everybody's doing good. Eating and drinking and being puppies. Mama's over there. Got their walking shoes on. Right over to the refrigerator. What do you think, big boy? They're right. It's gotta be one of the boys. Oh boy, I should say. There's only one boy in this litter. But they're all doing good. Just wanted to show them to you. Sorry about the video being late. Today's the first time it was dry. Or right now is the first time it's been dry since yesterday. Stopped raining for a little while. So, we'll talk to you guys soon.